Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to add decimal numbers very easily. So let's see. We can find them in a ticket of a bar, on the amount of money in a bank account, and in our age. First of all, we have to take in account always these 4 steps. The first one, write first the large number, put it on the top of the fraction. The step 2, line up the decimal points right below the other decimals. Point 3, complete the side where there are not any number with a 0 to make it much clearer. And finally, start adding from the smallest place. Also, we have to remember the different places where numbers can be written on an operation. For example, this number. Now we will put all the numbers in the left to see it more clear. The 1 will be collocated in the hundredth places. The 7 is on the tens places. The 5 is on the ones place. The 3 is on the tens place. The 4 is on the hundredths place. And finally, the 5 is on the thousands place. Also, we have to know that this number can be named by 2 forms. The first one will be 175.345 or 175 and 345 thousandths. So, knowing all of this, we can start doing some examples. The first thing that we have to do is to follow the 4 steps. The first one was to write the large number, putting it on the top of the operation. Secondly, we will line up the decimal points right below the other decimals. And also, we will complete where there are not any number with a 0 to make it much clearer. Now we can start adding. 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 3 is 6, 7 plus 5 is 12, so we carry that 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1, 11, so we carry another 1, and 5 plus 1 will be 6. So the final result will be 61.265. Now, another example. Another time we have to follow the 4 steps. The first one was to write the large number, the first one, put it on the top of the operation. In the second step, we have to remember to line up the decimal points right below the other decimals. Before starting the operation, we have to complete the sides where there are not any number with a 0 to make it much clearer. So now we can start adding. 0 plus 5 will be 5, 8 plus 3 will be 11, so we carry a 1, 4 plus 2 will be 6, plus 1, 7, 6 plus 6 will be 12, so we carry 1, and 3 plus 1 will be 4. So the result of the operation will be 42.715. And now the final example with 3 numbers. It will be the same, but a little more large. In all the cases, we have to follow the 4 steps. Always follow the 4 steps. So the first one was to write that first large number and put it on the top of the operation. Later, in the second place, we have to line up all the decimal points right below the other decimals. And finally, we will complete the sides where there are not any number with a 0 to make it much clearer. So now we are able to start adding. 0 plus 0 plus 8 will be 8. 2 plus 0 plus 5 will be 7. 8 plus 2, 10, plus 3, 13, and we carry a 1. 7 plus 3, 10, plus 5, 15, plus 1, 16, we carry a 1. And 5 plus 1 will be 6. So the final result would be 60.378. As you can see, we do the operation as the same as we did in the other two, so it is as easier as the first ones. So I hope that this video helps you know how to add decimal numbers. Remember to follow the first steps, and also I hope that you have enjoyed it. And thanks for watching. See you until the next